Hi, I'm April with WTI. These paint scrapers from Rechabite are awesome. I was looking for a small scraper, yet something very powerful. These guys were really awesome at getting this surface of my countertop nice and smooth. I needed something that wasn't too big because the sides of my counters are small and I wanted to be able to easily navigate. Now, it does have a safety. You can use a screwdriver to easily undo this little screw, turn it around for your razor blade, and then simply undo it and flip it around for it to have a safe storage. So I like that you can store them nice and safely. The handle is easy to grip. It doesn't slip out of my hand. I feel like it is the perfect size for getting the job done. I love how it comes with so many replacements, and these little blue ones are designed for glass and delicate surfaces. We found them very helpful for a lot of projects and little renovations around our home. Found these super easy to use, and we think you will too. And that's my point of view.